consider that. That and the fact that I've not actually filmed one of these for about over a year. I'm actually out of practice now.
Yeah, practice.
I'm out of practice,
Okay.
yes. Right.
Right, well,
You
for the bold.
You can just do it.
Yeah.
How do I even start these things?
Normally, you swoosh a bit on a chair and go, hi! Sorry I've not been around a bit. Life. Anyway, let me show you something. You know, there's something that I've been working on. What's this piece of metal? Looks like just a bit of funny metal. It's going to be an exhaust, but which way? I never do it the easy way. I'll just, do you want me to go over there?
No, it's fine.
Okay. This is an outtakes one, right?
No, this is it.
This is it,
This
right?
is it.
Okay, well, welcome to a new episode.
Oh.
New human.
New human, new bike. This human is going to do that bike.
And that man. Jokes.
And obviously the Herald. So the Herald is Joe's little bike. So.
Yeah, and I appreciate it's not as like some of these big boy bikes or big girl bikes, but it's a sweet little thing, and we got it for an absolute steal. So I'm quite looking forward to turning my hand at trying to get it up and running. With zero experience. I know he says he has zero experience. It's all like, I'm in my shared garage, whatever, doing it with no experience, which to be fair, you haven't, but like, you've always been around bikes, you've been always around this sort of thing, your dad was really into it, like literally I am zero, think of me as a princess, right, having a go at doing this. So there is quite a lot of swearing and general huffing when we're doing it together, but we're getting there.
Yeah. So that bike, new bearings needed, new exhaust needed, new indicators, new fork seals, all of the above need doing to it before that gets an MOT. So Jo has her own bike as well, which is the Herald 125, another one, but a new one, a nice one.
Yeah, that was due to me being relatively impatient as a human. So I just passed my CBT this summer and I didn't want to sort of waste doing that as we were doing this or put like some time pressure on it. So I got a brand new little 125 Herald and I really love her, she's brilliant, but this is going to be mine for keeps. So I'm really excited about getting this one up and running and more customised, right? So we're putting the deadline of the Mali Mile again for this one. I want this one looking beautiful. I want this on the road soon so I can enjoy riding together, but Mali Mile for making it look beautiful.
Knobbly tyres, mean ass exhaust, all that.
Beautiful pearlized white, maybe some lavender seat, makes it look really mean. Mean, really mean. There we go.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Now, I had said to Jo, times to be bold, that this was going to be her own project, but been busy again, both of us, and she hasn't had any time to actually look at it. So rather than waiting until the next time she's here to have a look at the bike, I'm going to have a look at the rear wheel, or the sprocket at least. Let me roll it out. CX out there as well, but yes, I need to look at the sprocket at the rear. So I have a little wobbly sprocket. Now it's not much wobble in the grand scheme of wobbliness goes, but that's enough to cause me concern, and I need to check it out and see what's going on there, see how I can stop it, and essentially see what parts I need to order before Jo gets here. Could still do the job itself, but you know, I'm gonna look at this well.
You can call me stupid, yes, you can call me sheep, you can say I'm lazy, you can say I'm weak. You think that using her would get to me, and if you're right then you're in trouble, D, 'cause I won't break, no I know I won't wait. You're in trouble, D.
So, the building on this is a bit weird. So I originally wanted to see the wobble and the sprocket. Now these are obviously bearing, or bushings in there, not bearings, bushings. And then these slide inside, but there's quite a bit of play in that. So that's one thing that I'm worrying about. But secondly, the bearings are seized. There's no way of turning that at all, which is worrying. Even more worrying than that, to be honest, at the moment. Not a biggie, we can replace the bearings. But how thankful am I that rear sprocket wobble maybe take the rear wheel off, because it felt like it was going fine. You know, we're pushing it about. Obviously the axle is going through the middle, turning, everything like that. Bearings aren't though. So essentially that would have just been grinding metal on metal as you were going down the road.
But when it comes to her, you better keep it sealed. Don't you dare say a single word, or I will strike you where it feels. You think that using her will get to me, and if you're right then you're in trouble, D. 'Cause I won't break, no I know I won't wait. You're in trouble, D.
And that's all we've got time for today. Bearings are on, that's the most important thing. There will be a video next week. Unfortunately, we didn't actually finish or record the ending to that. We did the intro, but then we didn't even think about doing the outro. Never mind. Bearings are on the Herald. Next job is to sort out the exhaust, which we'll be doing next week. If you want to keep up to date with this build, and it is as well going to the Mallee Mile, that's the deadline for this bike here. If you want to stay up to date, join us next week, subscribe. Follow on Instagram as well, there's always updates of what that bike looks like now on Instagram. But as well, there'll be an update on Monday, a very special update. So tune in on Monday and I can tell you all about it then. So until next time, keep on building and I'll see you then.